Homemade pilaf with rice and dried fruits, Iftar and Ramadan special, affordable for beginners. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel kitchen. Today, we have a special treat for you, especially designed for Iftar during the blessed month of Ramadan. We'll be making a delicious homemade pilaf with rice and dried fruits. Not only is this dish mouth-watering, but it's also affordable and perfect for beginners. So, let's dive into the ingredients and preparation methods. Segment 1, Introduction to Pilaf and Ingredients. Before we start, let me briefly explain what pilaf is. It's a flavorful and aromatic rice dish that originated in the Middle East and is enjoyed worldwide. Our version today will be enhanced with the natural sweetness of dried fruits, making it a delightful addition to your iftar spread. Now, let's go over the ingredients you'll need for this affordable and beginner-friendly recipe. 1 cup basmati rice, washed and soaked for 30 minutes. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 1 large onion, finely chopped. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder. Salt and pepper to taste. 2 cups vegetable or chicken broth. Half cup mixed dried fruits, apricots, raisins, almond and dates work well. Chopped fresh cilantro or parsley for garnish. Segment 2, Preparing the base. With our ingredients ready, let's start by heating the vegetable oil in a pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add the chopped onions and sauté until they become golden brown and caramelized. Next, add the minced garlic and sauté for about a minute until it becomes fragrant. Now, let's introduce the aromatic spices, cumin powder, coriander powder, and cinnamon powder. Segment 3, Cooking the rice. It's time to add the soaked and drained basmati rice to the pan. Gently stir the rice to coat it with the flavorful onion and spice mixture. This step ensures that every grain of rice is infused with the aromatic spices. Once the rice is well coated, pour in the vegetable or chicken broth. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Segment 4, Adding dried fruits. Now comes the sweet twist to our pilaf, the dried fruits. Add a generous half cup of mixed dried fruits to the rice. This combination of apricots, raisins, and dates will bring a natural sweetness that perfectly complements the savory spices. Gently fold in the dried fruits, making sure they are distributed evenly throughout the pilaf. Cover the pan again and let it simmer for an additional 5 to 7 minutes to allow the dried fruits to plump up and release their sweetness into the dish. Segment 5, Fluffing and Garnishing. Our kitchen is now filled with the delightful aroma of pilaf with rice and dried fruits. Turn off the heat and let the pilaf sit, covered, for a few more minutes. This allows the rice to finish cooking in its residual heat. The final touch is a sprinkle of freshly chopped cilantro or parsley for a burst of freshness and color. Segment 6, Serving and Presentation. Our homemade pilaf with rice and dried fruits is ready to be served. The combination of aromatic spices and sweet dried fruits makes this dish not only delicious but also a perfect addition to your iftar table during Ramadan. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. You can serve the pilaf as a standalone dish or pair it with your favorite protein, such as grilled chicken or lamb. The versatility of this recipe allows you to customize it according to your preferences. Thank you for joining us in the kitchen today. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this affordable and beginner-friendly homemade pilaf with rice and dried fruits. May this dish bring joy to your iftar during the holy month of Ramadan. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more delicious recipes. Until next time, Ramadan Kareem. Thank you very much pilaf with rice and dried fruits lovers.